I tried Rome DAO for 14 days, and in this video I'm going to break down exactly how much I made, the future updates for this project, and the best strategy that you may not know about that you could be utilizing to cheat your way up the chest tiers and earn these higher level NFTs that could be worth thousands. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then stick around for the video. What's going on, guys? My name's Johnny Chaplin and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name's Johnny. I'm leaving the Royal Navy in 12 months, so I've got this huge goal of turning 1,000 into £1 million to motivate me to try everything that I've always dreamed about trying. So I created this channel to document me on this journey, trying all these different strategies, all these passive income opportunities, and turning my investment of £1,000 into £1 million along the way.
I wasn't sleeping. I was dreaming about success.
So Rome DAO Finance was my first investment, and I invested £735 into the project. I invested in Rome DAO because I was looking at all the success of the Olympus DAO forks like Wonderland and Heck DAO, etc. And I saw this new fork of Olympus and had some key differences that made it really interesting to me because I lean naturally towards gaming crypto projects. So what they're trying to do is they're trying to build a game on top of the Olympus DAO sustainability model. And this means that the reserve currency in the game should not be extremely volatile and it won't fluctuate loads in price. However, if you want to check out more of the reasonings why I invested, then I'll link the video somewhere up here on a little banner and you can watch the first video. Let's jump straight into it. How much did I make? Was it a good investment? And did I stick to my strategy about doubling my investment and leaving? I invested at $1,000 and literally in 5 days, Rome DAO had some great press, some great tweets, and the announcements in the Discord caused the price to pump. It had just over a 2x. 5 days time after I put that $1,000 in, there was like $2,200 in. And my strategy was as soon as it doubled to take my $1,000 out. So that's exactly what I did. And I'm very glad and thankful that I stuck to this strategy because the price of all DAOs at the minute are really tanking. So at the time, this was the greatest opportunity for me to be able to move further money on to a different project, which was Police and Thief. The video will be dropping for phase 2 about Police and Thief and how much I've made there on Saturday. So look forward to that. So I took my $1,000 initial investment back out and I invested it in a separate project, Police and Thief game. So that left me with around $1,200 still in the project at that time. However, the price recently has dropped dramatically. I'm not too bothered about that because I'm looking at rebuying some Rome for the future campaigns. So the lower the price gets, the better for me and the easier my barrier to entry is. What's are future updates that you need to know that I've been researching and I think is crucial to the gaming part of the Rome DAO investment? So after researching how the campaign's actually going to work, I found out that to work down those chest tiers, you need to be bonding. So bonding is when you come onto the website and is where you don't buy it off the DEX, the decentralized exchange, you buy it directly from the treasury and they basically mint it. So they generate that token and give that to you. So this process is how you basically build up your conscription phase in which you'll be working up your chest tiers, and that's the first challenge within Rome. So once conscription's finished and the wars actually start, there's a breakdown of things that you need to know. Basically, why I'm accumulating 10 Rome is because you need to have 10 Rome to guarantee you a chest from your tier that you've bonded. Because I'm working my way up the bond levels, trying to get the different chest tiers, to get the Genesis NFTs, then I'm going to try and accumulate 10 Rome from the other project's profits, put it back into this one while the price is low, and make the most of these DAO sales.
They never said winning was easy.
Other future updates. They're constantly updating us with exactly what they're doing in the different worlds. Their gaming design looks really great. And it's all very exciting for the gamified aspects down the line. It looks like you're going to have some player versus player as well as working on the maps. And there's going to be opportunities for obviously the DAO to vote on actions that will take in the wars. It sounds like you might be able to form alliances with the other houses, or you might be able to pretend to form alliances with other houses. So there's going to be some strategy involved. And the whole underlying factor is that you're going to be making money the whole way through while playing a game, that's hella exciting. You want to be playing games, earning money, earning Genesis NFTs that you can resell to earn more money, and you're having a great time the whole way. Which is crypto, it's mental, there's these opportunities out there. The future things that you should take from this are crucial. If you're invested and you've got that 0.33 Rome staked, then well done, we're part of the journey, we don't need to do anything else. That's you getting your initial character NFT. 2. If you want to be able to earn these chest tiers, you need to be bonding, which I'll show you an instruction at the end of the video. 3, they're building out this APYRPG to be launching at the end of January or early February. That's when we'll actually start seeing how this game will work, and we'll actually see the war map and all the game aspects will start coming to life. Once you've worked down those bonds, once you work down those chest tiers, then you'll need to stake at least 10 Rome to the campaign to be able to guarantee yourself a chest. So if I was working down the chest tiers, I'd be looking at trying to accumulate Rome as much as possible to be able to get to those 10 Rome so you can guarantee yourself one of those Genesis NFT chests. Let's look at the best strategies to be implementing in Rome to make sure that you're 1, earning the most that you possibly can, and 2, working your way up the chest tiers to be able to get those free Genesis NFTs. So the first strategy, you just stake. So you just buy your Rome from the DEX, the decentralized exchange, and then you take it onto the Rome DAO Finance website and you stake it. You leave it and you get the staking rewards, and that's about 9% for a 5-day period. However, what's the problem with this is that because we didn't bond, we're not earning those tiers, those chest tiers for those Genesis NFTs that you will be able to sell on the aftermarket. So how do we get around this, and what can we do? So you can take that 1,000 or however much you want to invest, and instead of going to that decentralized exchange, you can go to the Rome DAO Finance website and go under bonding, and then you'll be able to buy from the treasury the amount of Rome that you'd like. The differences with this is that you don't instantly get it, and you don't get the staking benefits for the 4-day vesting period, which it's locked up in. So let's just say you bought 4 Rome on the DEX, you instantly get that. You can stake that, you can sell it, whatever, instantly. Whereas when you bond, when you buy 4 Rome, let's just say every 8 hours you'll be dropped 0.2 Rome for 4 days, or whether the maths works, you know what I mean? So it's like a little bit at a time, it's slowly drip fed and unlocked, but the full amount isn't unlocked until 4 days time. What's good about this? What are the advantages? Well, the advantages are that, so the way you work through the missions on the campaign right now is from bonding. So the more you bond, the further down the chest tiers you go, and then the better the NFTs are you get from those chests, which then you can sell at the end. So obviously you've got that value. What are the negatives and what are the things that you should look out for? If you're bonding and the percentages go down less than that 9%, one, you're losing Rome that you could have been making from staking, but obviously counteracted that is that you get the chests, so you have to balance out because the NFTs might be worth more than you lost out of. So the first strategy is your staking, the second strategy is bonding, and then this is the more complex strategy, but this could be a great way of working up the Rome tiers faster, is bonding, staking, and bonding. So you buy one of the bonds, let's just say Frax bond, and that's 4 days vesting period. And then on the second day, when you've got half of it, you buy a second bond in like the Rome and Frax LP bonding part of the section. And this means that you've got 2 days, and then you just repeat this process. Bonded, you take it out, you stake it, and then you bond it into a second one. And then you take it out and you stake it, and then you bond it. So then you've constantly got 2, every 2 days it's going bam, 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 bam. You're earning those chest tiers faster, but you're going to take those hit because at the minute there's not very good discounts for those bonding prices. So that's just an overlook into the strategies. I hope I haven't absolutely confused you. How you can basically be working up the chest tiers. The future news for Rome is great, it looks bright, and I'm still super excited even though all DAOs have crashed at the minute. Furthermore, my investment is sat at half of what it was, so it's like $500, but you've got that $1,000 in the police and thief. So it's not all doom and gloom, so it's the best move strategically for me to build up that £1,000 to £1 million project. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, leave it a like. If you want to follow my journey and see how well I do, and if I lose my money or if it actually turns out successful, then subscribe and turn bell notifications on so you don't miss a post.
Do it!
Okay. Hopefully they'll release the phase 2 for Police and Thief. I'll be dropping a whole breakdown exactly how the game's going to work and what you should be excited about, and show you exactly how much I've made, which is an insane amount from this game. I'll see you guys in the next one. Your boys Gunskis. What's going on, guys? I'm going to take you through a rapid tutorial on how to bond. So basically when you come onto the Romedao website, you'll see the bonding on the left hand side, and here you'll have the percentages in which they're offering you the discounted Rome to bond from the treasury. So how to get the Rome Frax LP, you have to go and buy Rome on the right hand side, and basically you want to swap 50% Frax to 50% Rome. So if you've got 0.1, let's just say you've got 0.24 Frax, then you'd need to swap 0.12 to Rome. You click swap, you do that, then you come over to farming, you click add, and then you do 50% Frax, so 12 there, yeah. 0.12, and then that would have been 0.09. There we go. So now you got 50% pairing, and then you can click confirm supply, and then this is basically you're adding this liquidity pool. So then once that's gone through and pending up here, that will be completed. You'll then come back to here, refresh, you'll be able to click max, and then you'll go through the whole bonding thing. And then every 8 hours you'll be able to redeem and claim and stake a portion, which is the bond, claim and stake strategy. And then the additional advanced strategy is at the 2-day mark, everything that you've taken out of the auto stake and claim, you then put into the frax. And then that means you can straight away start bonding every 8 hours into frax. And the frax is simple. You literally just come here with frax in your wallet and you click bond and then the amount. But obviously this today you wouldn't want to be bonding at a negative percentage, because obviously you'll be losing out on Rome throughout the transactions. Finally, just want to quickly show you where you can find on the war map. You click here and then this will be able to see exactly how you're bonding and how well you're doing and working down the chest is. So that's a wrap for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.